What's good, YouTube? Welcome to Blockchain Daily. Welcome back to the channel. Caspians, I'm back with another video for you guys. Thank you guys so much for the continued support on the videos. I know sometimes I clickbait the thumbnails. Okay, whatever. It's YouTube, man. Crypto viewers, crypto is such an echo chamber, man. If I post a video of a half-naked woman right now with the half-naked woman in the thumbnail, I'll get 100,000 to 1 million views. Okay, sometimes you gotta play the algorithm, guys, so forgive me, okay? But when you watch the videos, I'm still giving you guys great information. So yeah, I thank y'all so much for the support. I know y'all see, like, somebody replied, "What are you smoking?" It's YouTube, man. You know, bear with me, y'all, bear with me. So we back with another Kaspa video, my Caspians. I hope y'all secured at least 10,000 to 100,000 Kaspa, because things are about to get crazy, man. Things are getting super bullish. You know, Block Dag Daily is back once again with another Kaspa video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you hold the project or you're new to the channel. Always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. Since I've been covering Kaspa, you know, on the channel, we are still up in profit and it's still crushing it. I was covering it around the 1.5 cent mark. Now it's up to 2 cents, 2 cents, right? 3 cents. So 1,500, 1,530, 40, around that. It's now $2,200, right? Just made around what, $700 just like that with Kaspa from since I started to cover it on the channel. And I know that 100k, man, $1 Kaspa is, you know, not impossible. A lot of people are saying there's no way it goes to $1. We shall see, man, because this is one of the projects that's super bullish compared to everything else. Kaspa up 12%, 428 million market cap, 12.4 million in 24-hour trade volume. That is insane, bruh. That is absolutely crazy, man. Like, y'all don't know how crazy that is. I see there's blockchains that have similar market caps to Kaspa with not even half the trade volume, right? So you know people want are doing their best to get their hands on Kaspa. As our crypto sniper said in my live streams, it's a hunger game for as much Kaspa you could accumulate, right? It's the Hunger Games right now. Now for me, obviously, I let you guys know, hey, don't overinvest if you can't, right? Just invest what you're willing to lose, because crypto is not guaranteed. It's still very risky. So even if you have 10k to 100k, that's my range of accumulation for Kaspa. It goes to $1, you get $10,000 to $100,000. How are you not happy about that, right? How are you upset? I know you want, you know, the million in one trade, but be happy with the small wins along the way, because crypto is not going anywhere. It's gonna be here to stay, right? It's gonna be here years out. Warren Buffett didn't become a billionaire in his first 10 years of investing. It took like what, decades, right, for him to become a billionaire, right? So be satisfied with the small wins along the way and just keep building, keep growing, keep learning, and then you'll become a billionaire as well, just like Warren Buffett, guys, because crypto is not good. It's gonna always be here. So now is the time you just keep growing and building. And Caspians, man, y'all are crushing it. Y'all are crushing it. Look at how the chart looks, man. So freaking bullish. It's so freaking bullish. From Bitcoins Pro, I'm bullish on Cas. Looking into the tech, hell yeah. From Homelander, I'm bullish on Cas. Seabass, bullish. All these people, man. Wait, what does this beer say? When does this crap go down? I don't want to buy so expensive. Legend 2021. I apologize, my guy. Sometimes you might have to buy the green. You might have to buy the green, my guy. There might not be any red for you. From Booba, Cas, and now to stop you from touching the pause. Cas has been the only coin to give returns in ASICs of $800 a day, and what? That's the amount of money miners are making on Cas. The only ones you can look it up, which offers great strength supporting something like that. Wow, $800 a day? ASIC miners for Cas, but last time I saw ASIC miners sold for like 50,000 or 40,000. But that's great money, man. $800 a day. Cas, I'm going to explain it once again since ignorance abounds here. I go back to the arrival of ASICs and KDA. KDA exploded. I remember when KDA exploded. So KDA exploded because it was a proof of work blockchain and ASICs were running on KDA, which was when the price was at 178. After the arrival of these same down to 90 cents, their all-time high was $22 within the bull run. But that $22 was not because of ASICs. It happened months later, much later, and it only affected, as I say, from 178 to 90 cents. So no, they did not charge the currency. On the other hand, Stress Kaspa has utility, so you don't have to be very smart to understand that people are lying and creating FUD. Greetings. So okay, so people are bearish on Kaspa because of the miners, but you guys don't know. Like, there's a saying in the Bitcoin community: what's good for the miners is good for Bitcoin. What's good for the miners is good for Kaspa, guys. I don't care what fudge y'all talking about, but trust me, this project will blow people's minds away, man. That's why I'm gonna keep covering it on the channel. Remember, I started covering it around 1.5, right? Somewhere in this range right here. So now, you know, anybody that got in with me, they still up in profit right now. Y'all still up in profit if you're still holding, right? And I think there's a lot more. There will be a lot more upside potentially, man. Nothing is guaranteed, but I really do believe that $1 Kaspa, $1 to $3, even $1 to $5, I think that's gonna be a possibility for this one, man. It's a unicorn, y'all. It is truly a unicorn. It doesn't do what the rest of the market does. You realize when I was covering it, it started breaking out before, started pumping before Bitcoin and everything got the bullish news. It's been crushing it since in the bear market. It's been crushing it, and you can see it's right here. It's still doing the same thing, right? Now that Bitcoin is bullish, now it's gonna get an extra boost to it, right? Because if we take a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're starting to break out. They're starting to break out, guys, and I'm show you the news why. Could be potentially the news why, but we could see Bitcoin is starting to go crazy, man. Up 3-4%. Look at this, nice pop to the upside, back above 26,000, going on its way to 30,000. Ethereum breaking out as well, you know, just following the Bitcoin chart, obviously. But that's what I'm saying. Kaspa does its own thing. It pumps by itself. It doesn't need Bitcoin to pump. This was all bear market when Bitcoin was just going down, 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 and Kaspa was crushing it, and we could see it's doing the same thing once again, right? So right here we have some news breaking. US is launching its own crypto exchange. Group of America's largest investment firms, including Citadel, Charles Schwab, and Fidelity Digital Assets, are launching a Bitcoin exchange this week. And that's what's causing, I believe that's what's causing the recent breakouts in the market. So Kaspa being already bullish, it's just gonna get more bullish. Y'all already know Fidelity, one of those large banks. I know you guys know about Citadel, right? And I know everyone knows Charles Schwab. I know everyone knows Charles Schwab. So yeah, man, guys, this is huge, man. Things are is it the start of the bull run? Somebody pinch me, man. Somebody pinch me, man. I haven't been on point in trades like this in a minute, man. But yeah, guys, Cas is super bullish. Small update on Cas. Next rocket launch is imminent. Next rocket launch is imminent. You can see the breakout, man. It broke this falling trend, falling wedge, broke out from it, and it just is so bullish, especially with the news, right? Bitcoin is looking great, so the rest of the market follows, right? From Chris JS, I think Kaspa currency will be the biggest disruptor in crypto as we know it, soon to be SC enabled and run at 32 blocks per second. It will make pretty much all other layer ones redundant. They won't be needed. It will be the fastest, most scalable, cheapest decentralized network in crypto, Cas. You hear that, guys? Shout out to Chris JS for the amazing tweet. I think I follow him. Yep. So and remember, Cas is SEC compliant. It's a commodity, right? it doesn't fall into the same jurisdictions that the SEC would consider what a security is. Cash is pretty much like Bitcoin, but on steroids. Think Bitcoin on steroids. That's what Cash is, right? I might just title the video that. But soon to be SE enabled and run at 32 plus blocks per second. Other layer ones, Ethereum, Cardano, a lot of these, Solana for short, you getting out of here. They won't be needed. It will be the fastest, most scalable, cheapest decentralized network in crypto. From Chris JS once again, soon Kaspa currency will literally be the very first all-in-one crypto network, fully scalable, decentralized, SEC compliant, 100% secure, SC enabled, lightning fast, cheap fees, block, DAG, directed acyclic graphs. Is it a cyclic? A cyclic? Let me know. All this backed up by an all-star team and huge passionate community. What's not to like Kaspa, right? Man, I'm so bullish on this, guys. Like, y'all don't know, man. I'm so super bullish on it. I wish I had 1 million of them, but I'll be thankful, man. I'll be thankful with what I got, man. Looking strong here. Another attempt to break through this resistance. Kaspa has a resistance around the 2.3 cent mark, and once it breaks this, it's gone, man. 2-3 cent mark, it's gone. Jim saying buy Cas instead. Oh, Duo 9. The greatest centralization event in crypto is about to begin. Ethereum validator is about to get a massive boost. Less nodes equal ETH is more centralized. This is the problem with centralized network. Things keep changing as devs change their mind. Buy BTC instead. That's the thing that I mentioned in my previous videos. Ethereum is very centralized. You know, the Ethereum Foundation, Vitalik dumping at the top of the markets. Just look it up. Vitalik be dumping ETH on his Ethereum investors, guys, and nobody's upset about it. So, you know, crypto is full of a bunch of hypocrites. If there was other projects where the dev was dumping, people would have been like, what how you sell, why are you selling, why, you know? So didn't know this was taking place. But Ethereum developers consider raising max validator limit from 32 to 2000 ETH 2000 ETH to get a validator instead of 32. And then only the super wealthy people could afford 2000 ETH, which means it's going to become even more centralized. The more centralized it is, doesn't that make it a security? Isn't that how it works? Isn't that what the SEC is looking for? I'm in the space for decentralization, guys, and Kaspa super decentralized, absolutely decentralized. So yeah, buy Cas instead, man. Diego, Cas, you know what I do? I own Kaspa. It's on an exchange. Oh, that's funny. Oh man, that's hilarious. But yeah, Caspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. We are breaking out. We are bullish. How far do we go, guys? $1, $2, $3. We'll see, man. It's about to get crazy, man. The more bullish it gets, the more the space gets crazy, man. I hope your bags are packed. I hope you was accumulating. I hope you got some nice altcoins and you weren't just in meme coins, right? I hope you got some nice altcoins like a Kaspa, you know, that could give you crazy returns in the future. In my opinion, obviously, this is not financial advice. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about Cas and myself will be in the description. Please support this video. Get it to 10,000 views. Caspians, crush it. Let's spread the awareness of Kaspa so we could get more and more people talking about it. All the top YouTubers talking about it, because they won't ignore. The more this pumps, the less they ignore it. And that's just how it goes, right? Also, become a Patreon where you get access to my buy alerts and sell alerts, right? I recently just posted a buy alert in the Patreon. You also get access to my private Discord. I'll talk to you guys personally on the Patreon, like, yo, I'm gonna be buying this, I'm gonna be selling this. I'll let you all know as soon as I do said trade, and you could use these trades to, you know, potentially get some gains to buy more cash or whatever other altcoin you're bullish on, right? But yeah, make sure you get some cash, man. Even if it's just 10,000, like get a bag so you could get some more probable chances of success in this crypto space, man. Get some more probable success, right? Not just don't just fully leave it to chance, because Cas has more, in my opinion, has more probability of success. Again, guys, thank you all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.